everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. This week I'm back with another video, and this week's video is my favorite. That's just a second. An Amazon book. These are the books which I got this month from Amazon. I was really looking forward to buy a few books, so I thought why not to buy them and then unbox them in front of you all. So let's get started with the first book. I got around 11 books, so there are a few books which are related to my academics. I put them for quarantining for a few days, so now when I got all the books, I sprayed them that sanitizer, and now I'm good to go unbox it with you all. I have these scissors with me matching with my dress, so let's get started with the unboxing part of these. Are the few books which I got within like 1 week only. So the first book, let's see. Okay, Ghost of the Silent Hills, Anita Krishnan. This is a book. It's a haunted story book. I never got a book which is based on Atma, Bhoot, and these supernatural things. So this is the first book which I have with me. I'm really looking forward to this. This book price, it was not more than 150 or 200 rupees. So I'll put the current prices here. So this is the first book which I got. Okay, the next book which I ordered a few days back, it is related to syllabus, my like PhD syllabus only, but I really wanted to try this one. This is I think someone's thesis or something, and I have to mention this. I ordered all these books from Amazon, but I got this one through post, so I was really surprised that post में क्या आ रहा है. So this was the book which I got from post. इसके ऊपर एक धागा भी लगा हुआ था, एक रस्सी भी लगी हुई थी, लेकिन I just threw it away. Why? I don't know. So this is a book, Media and Tribal Development, Jagannathan Patti. I got it from Amazon. Media and Tribal Development from this is written by Jagannathan Patti. And I don't know, it was a costly purchase. I think 400 or 500 rupees की book है ये. But I needed it anyways for my academics, so I thought why not to. So this is the second book which I got. Next, so the next this parcel, this is having more than 2 books, I guess. Okay, I have around 3 books in here in this particular parcel, और bill भी है साथ में. That's nice. So it costed me around 560 है इन तीनों का, I think. The first book is Milkman, Anna Burns. आपको पता होगा कि 2019 का शायद यही था. 19 का शायद यही था. Oopsie. Man Booker's Prize के winner. Just a second. Yes, Man Booker's Prize for 2018. I took the close-up of this book. I got this book for original price इसका 500 है, 499 है, but I got this one. It is for 329, so almost 330 rupees की पड़ी है मुझे. ऐसे ये है एना बर्न्स की मिल्कमैन, और पेजेस हैं इसके. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, आई लेट यू नो. ये बुक है, अरे पेज नंबर क्यों नहीं दिया. ओके, अराउंड 400 पेजेस की बुक है. यू कैन सी इसका थिकनेस. इट्स एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ द बुक इज ऑल्सो नाइस. कोई 400 पेजेस की बुक है, क्वालिटी इज नाइस, और प्रिंट है फैबर एंड फैबर publication, Faber. Next book is Everybody Loves a Good Draw. P. Sainath की बुक है. ये काफ़ी चंकी बुक है. ये हमारे कोर्स वर्क में ड्यूरिंग आवर मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम हमें काफ़ी बार ये पढ़ने को मिला था. ही इज़ अ जर्नलिस्ट एंड हाउ ही रिसर्च्ड अबाउट डिफरेंट सोशल इश्यूज रिलेटेड टू द फार्मर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. तो उन्होंने एक काफ़ी अच्छी रिसर्च की है इस पर. ये काफ़ी बुक रेकमेंड की जाती है. दिस ओरिजिनली प्राइस फॉर 499, बट आई गॉट इट फॉर 300 रुपीज. सो 300 रुपये की मिली मुझे अमेजोन से. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ बुक विच आई गॉट. नाइस. आई एम which I got. Nice. I'm happy about this purchase. These are like investments, you know. Okay, उसके बाद है पुनाची. Few years back, like 2 years back, I saw like this book on Instagram और मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी तारीफें सुनी है that talks about social setup related to caste and everything. So I thought better to give it a try. Translated by N. Kalyan Raman. पेरुमल मुरुगन ने लिखा है इस बुक को, लेकिन ट्रांसलेटेड इंग्लिश में एन कल्याण रमन जी की है. दिस बुक ओरिजिनली प्राइस फॉर, इसका प्राइस भी नहीं लिखा है इस पे. लेट मी सी यू. ओके, प्राइस नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं. प्राइस क्यों नहीं है इसका? ओके, इस पे लिखा हुआ है शॉर्ट लिस्टेड फॉर JCB Prize for Literature 2018, Punachi or the Story of a Black Goat. Let me read the excerpt from this book. An old man is watching the sunsets over his village. One quiet evening, a mysterious stranger turns up with the gift of a day-old goat kid. Thus begins the story of Punachi, the little black goat, whose fragility and fecundity become cause of. I'm actually looking forward to read this book soon. I am even planning to host, I'm also planning to create myself a day 24-hour challenge of reading challenge, readathon type karungi main. So maybe this book can be a part of that readathon. Let me tell you how many pages are there. 173 pages are there, and I hope it will be a quick read. And मैंने काफी अच्छी बातें सुनी है इसके बारे में. So this is the 5th book in my book haul. So and I got it for, I don't know what's the original price. I got it for 263. So obviously it was around for 400. Moving to the next box. Just a second, guys. What going on? Okay, I have around 2 books in this packet. बिल भी है. बिल टोटल इसका फटा हुआ है बिल. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Okay, the first book I got is The Clear Light of Day, Anita Desai's book. I never read any of Anita Desai's books, but Amazon पे मुझे बार बार इनकी recommendation आती रहती है, तो मैंने सोचा इस बार हॉल में इसको ले ही लिया जाए. So original price है 350 rupees, और इसका Amazon पे मुझे पड़ा है 246. So decent price, actually 100 rupees का price discount है. So that's nice. And I must tell you, there are not a lot of bookstores around my house, और जो थोड़ी दूरी सिटी के अराउंड है भी charge you the same MRP on the book, and Amazon don't do that. So that's why I prefer buying books from Amazon. So this one, Clear Light of the Day by Anita Desai, with the introduction of the Kamila Shamsi. ये Penguin India की पब्लिकेशन है. 350 रुपीज़ प्राइस है, और इसके पीछे भी इन्होंने काफ़ी सारे वो दिए हैं कि और कौन कौन सी अनीता देसाई की बुक्स हैं. हेयर शी इज़ अनीता देसाई. नाइस. ओके, और ये जो बुक है ये है 273 पेजेस हैं इस बुक के. सो दिस इज़ द 6th बुक फ्रॉम माई हॉल. Moving ahead, okay, these are the 2 bookmarks I got in this package. इसमें लिखा है Amazon Challenge, Champion and Change. Heads up for Tales. Don't know what that means. Okay, the other book is, this is some book which was recommended by my professor. He talks a lot about this book, so I thought why not to have it with me also. मुझे लगा काफ़ी मोटी book होगी, because its original price is of the author is Lex Guttary. The 3 Ecologies book का नाम है, और एक मक्खी बनी हुई है इस पे. So yeah, ये book है around 130 पेजेस हैं इसके, लेकिन जो फॉन्ट है दैट इज़ नॉट समथिंग, वो बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई वाली बुक वाला फॉन्ट है. सो इट्स नॉट अ नॉवल ऑब्वियसली, बट दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट परचेज फ्रॉम Amazon फॉर दिस हॉल. Okay, moving ahead, last package. Let me open this. I'm so happy. ओवरऑल मुझे लगता है मैं 3000 की बुक्स या 3500 की, नहीं 3.5 तक की बुक्स मंगानी. Okay, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 books which I got. So yeah, the first one is The Palace of Illusion. आपने इंस्टाग्राम पे अगर आप देख रहे होंगे तो 1-2 साल पहले काफ़ी ज़्यादा पॉपुलर था ये. It was all over the Instagram. Even I remember I was going to Delhi और मेरे साथ वाली I was in traveling in train. So मेरे साथ वाली berth पे one girl, she was also reading something. I was also reading some book, I don't remember properly, but she was also reading book and I asked her that how is it, and she mentioned that it's a nice one. So I wanted to take it at that तभी, लेकिन it just didn't came around, so never mind. This book is priced at 450 rupees and I got it for 296 rupees. So means 50 rupees का फर्क है. नहीं 150 रुपीज़ का फ़र्क है. सो दैट्स नाइस. और काफ़ी मोटी बुक लग रही है. ये है ऑलमोस्ट 360 पेजेस, मतलब अराउंड 400 पेजेस होने वाले होते, तभी राइटर ने रुक गए. वो चित्रा बनर्जी दिवाकरुणी, इनकी बुक है ये, और 10th एनिवर्सरी एडिशन. एंड द बुक इज सो प्रिटी, आई टेल यू, बहुत ही प्यारी लग रही है बुक. एक आधी पिक्चर्स भी हो सकती है. ओके, फॉन्ट साइज भी काफ़ी छोटा है, तो रीड करने में इट विल बी अ टास्क, इफ यू कैन सी दैट. बाकी बुक्स का फॉन्ट थोड़ा बड़ा है. सो दैट्स द 8th बुक आई गेस. एंड एंड देन आई हैव पोलो कॉलर्स द आर्चर, एंड पेंगुइन इंडिया की पब्लिकेशन है, और ये एक हार्ड बाउंड बुक है. हार्ड Best-selling author Alchemist comes in inspiring story about young man seeking wisdom from an elder and a practical lesson imparted along the way. We met Tatsuya, a man. Okay, इसमें इतनी सारी सुंदर illustrations हैं. Let me show you. छोटी छोटी प्यारी प्यारी illustrations हैं और काफ़ी खाली खाली बुक है. और एक पेज पे थोड़े थोड़े वो लिखे, elegance is not something superficial but the way in which a man can do honor to his life and his work. If you occasionally find the posture uncomfortable, do not think of it as a false or artificial. It is real, but it is difficult. It allows the target to feel honored by the dignity of the archer. Ooh, I didn't know about all these books. So this is a book. It is very total 130 pages. Let me see. The original price is 250 rupees and I got it for 160, 165. So hardbound book. It's a disappointment that it's such a small book, but that's my bad because मुझे already पता नहीं था कि ये क्या book है. I have to read it कि ये poem तो नहीं है. So you can also let me know, is it one is by R.K. Narayan. I already have few books of R.K. Narayan. I love it. My brother especially, he is really fond of this author. I also enjoy reading his books. So but he was the one who was insisting upon me like yehi book lo. So original price is 165 rupees. And look at the what is the cover of this book? Yeah, वो वाला है और काफ़ी thick book है. 200 pages के around होगी, 268 around 300 pages की book है, और Indian Thought Publication की publication है, और 165 प्राइस है, और मुझे मिली है ये for 161. हाँ, no discount on this one. Strange, bummer, but it's okay. But ठीक है, it's a thick book. I already have English teacher with me, I think. और एक और sweet वाली भी है, जो sweet vendor. Okay, the next one, last but not the least, actually last book in my haul is Paulo Coelho's 11 Minutes. मैंने international bestseller इस पर लिखा भी हुआ है, और कवर भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, थिकनेस भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. ओरिजिनल प्राइस 350 लिखा है, मुझे मिली है 206 रुपीज़ की. नॉट अ बैड डील. इन कोलो की मैंने कोलो नेवर माइंड, इनकी मैंने द ब्रिडा पढ़ी है. वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड फ्रॉम अ लिटरेचर बैकग्राउंड, ही सजेस्टेड मी एंड इट वॉज नाइस रीड. बट उस समय आई वॉज नॉट दैट मच इन टू रीडिंग, बट आई रियली एन्जॉयड. जितना भी मैं पढ़ा, पूरी कंप्लीट नहीं की थी मैंने. उसमें एक लड़की होती है, उसको 2 लोग पसंद आ रहे होते हैं, मतलब कुछ इस तरह की कहानी. मुझे आई वॉज यंग, सो आई डोंट रिमेंबर. आई वॉज 11th और 12th स्टैंडर्ड. सो या, लव इज टेरिबल थिंग दैट विल मेक यू सफर, इसके पीछे लिखा हुआ है. Do you also believe so? Please let me know in the comment section. Anyway. Book which I got from Amazon. I got it for 206 rupees. So these are the books which I got from Amazon. Let me show you. I'm so happy. So these are the books I got this month from Amazon. I'm super duper excited and happy. आपने कौन कौन सी books खरीदी? Please let me know. And any recommendation if you have, you can leave it in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to try all those books and read them. And soon I'll also try to make a video about a readathon once again. I love doing readathon. I don't know whether people want to watch it or no, but लेकिन जो देखना चाहते हैं वो ज़रूर देखते हैं, because जिन लोगों को उसका acquired taste होता है. So this is all for today's video. I'm so very happy to have these books with me, and especially when now I am a little free. I do have some time in my hand after I have a lot of stuff to do academically, but still I'll make some time out and read these books. I'm super duper excited for it. I hope you are also reading a number of books, and if you are, please let me know what books you are reading, if any recommendations you have for me, so that I can also read. I don't like romantic cheesy novels that much. मुझे अभी समझ नहीं आया उनकी ब्यूटी मुझे समझ नहीं आई है, but if you have any recommendations, I will be more than happy to read them. So this is all for today's video. I'll be right back with another one. Till then, you take care of yourself. Happy reading, and bye bye.